Okay, so since our first cabinet door wasn't very cooperative, I'm switching to a different door. And I'm going to start the game over, just reacclimating him to touching the target with his nose. Yes! 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 Yes, good boy. Yes! And I don't want to go too low because he tends to lie down. Yes! Good boy. Yes! Okay, so now let's see what happens when we attach it to the gate.
Get it all spittled.
Yes! Very good boy. Yes. Yes. Okay, maybe I should give it a little name. Whoops, freebie. Door. Yes. Door. Yes. Door. Yes. He doesn't like it when it moves. Door. Yes. Good one. Move away from it a little bit. Door. Yes. Good boy. Get your door. Yes. Good boy. Open it up again. We're not going through, sweetie. Can you get the door? Brisk, get the door. Yay! Can you get the door? Yes! Good job. Can you get the door? Yes! Thank you. Can you close the door? Good boy. Can you close the door? Yay! I know it moves. It's scary. Good boy. Close the door.